Let's review the latest enhancement to my.cat.com. The updated maintenance functionality allows you to define, schedule, and complete maintenance activities for all subscribed assets, including manual maintenance or even non-connected assets from any manufacturer. Based on your connected assets' hours and utilization, the system can calculate planned maintenance due dates, or you can configure your maintenance schedule manually. You can align your current service schedule with the tool's maintenance tracking to stay ahead of your maintenance activities. Plus, you can customize service levels, independent intervals, and major components to track the items most important to you. PM tasks can be viewed in a calendar format, so you can easily stay on top of your maintenance schedules. And you can schedule service, share PM tasks, buy parts and more right from the calendar, asset list, or individual asset detail page. Finally, our biggest update allows you to shift service schedules, continue with service as originally planned, and add additional PMs to coordinate with other upcoming maintenance and align service schedules as needed. With this tool, you can easily keep track of all maintenance and scheduled downtime when it's most convenient for you and your machine. Visit my.cat.com to start using these new features today and stay tuned for future updates.